I have tried to make this documentary as a balanced documentary. So that was my biggest effort which I have put to present a balanced side. There are many others. Advocate Rivankar is here, Advocate Milena Pinto, Poonam Bharne Madam. Poonam Bharne Madam, I would like to say you thank you, because in Mahanand Naik case, the problem is with that out of 16 trials, the judgment came, but only 1 or 2 are available online. And some judgments were very crucial for me for the research purpose. So personally, Poonam Bharne Madam, she is Director of Prosecution. She procured the judgments for me, she helped me with those judgments, and that is the reason I could make this accurate. Today I proudly say that this is the most accurate documentary, and I have accurate information because I got help from you.
You enjoy the film and you find it a rewarding viewing experience. I'd also like to echo Mukesh's sentiments. Many of the faces in the audience I recognize from your own research and from having spoken to you myself. As with all these documentaries, I always find it incredibly fascinating and a positive experience speaking to so many interesting people, and many of you are sat right in front of me right now. So thank you for your participation and thank you for viewing, and I look forward to speaking with you after the film.